The government says the scheme was designed to provide finance to qualifying borrowers whose business has been disrupted by the COVID-19 pandemic and follows similar schemes implemented in the Channel Islands and Guernsey. It adds it's targeted at small and medium-sized enterprises as defined by the EU, with the exclusion of businesses whose income is at least 75% funded by the government, as well as supermarkets, property development companies, the banking industry, and e-money institutions. Businesses which can borrow from banks in the usual way are also excluded, and the scheme cannot be used to refinance existing debt. The scheme will be available through the Gibraltar International Bank, the Gibraltar Bank of the Royal Bank of Scotland International, and Trusted Novus Bank. Number 6 says each bank has up to £10 million, with each eligible business able to borrow up to £500,000 under the scheme. Any lending is guaranteed by the government up to 80% of the amount borrowed, with the balance of risk borne by the relevant bank. The government says the facilities provided under the scheme can be for a maximum period of 6 years, adding lending banks can take security but not collateral in the form of the borrower's home. It says the government is required by EU state aid rules to charge the minimum amount for the guarantee, and adds in order to be eligible for these loans, businesses must certify that they have met obligations to taxes, social insurance and rates due at the end of last year. The government encourages any interested business owners to contact their local bank for further information.